In a small, quiet town nestled between rolling hills, there lived a curious young girl named Luna. Luna loved science more than anything else, especially anything to do with the stars. Her bedroom was filled with glow-in-the-dark constellations, homemade telescopes, and jars of moon dust. One night, as she gazed at the sky, she noticed something strange. The stars seemed to be flickering in a pattern, almost like a song. Luna decided to conduct an experiment. She set up her telescope, connected it to her computer, and used a special program to translate the starlight into sound. To her amazement, the stars were indeed singing a beautiful, otherworldly melody that no one had ever heard before. But there was a problem. The song was fading. The stars were growing dimmer, and the music was slipping away. Determined to save the Starlight Symphony, Luna built a special device she called the Star Amplifier. It was a mix of a radio, a laser, and a little bit of magic, or so she liked to think. She climbed to the highest hill in town, set up her invention, and aimed it at the sky. As she turned it on, the stars began to glow brighter, and the music swelled into a breathtaking crescendo. The entire town gathered to listen, their faces lit by the shimmering light above. From that night on, the stars never dimmed again, and Luna became the town's hero. Every evening, people would look up at the sky, listening to the Starlight Symphony and dreaming of the wonders of the universe.